Geometrical meaning of the zeros of a polynomial. A real number k is a zero of a polynomial f of x if f of k is equal to 0. To understand the meaning of geometrical meaning of the zeros of a polynomial, first we have to learn the geometrical representation of a linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Graph of a linear polynomial. For linear polynomial, the graph of y is equal to ax plus b is a straight line. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Let us have an equation y is equal to 3x plus 6. So for different values of x, the corresponding values of y are 0, 6, -1, 3 and 1, 9. Now we plot these points one by one on a graph paper as shown. Now we join the points and we get a straight line. From the graph, we can see that y is equal to 3x plus 6 intersects x-axis at -2, 0. If 3x plus 6 is equal to 0, then it gives x is equal to -2. That means zeros of polynomial 3x plus 6 is -2. So, x-coordinate of the point where the line intersects the x-axis is also -2. Hence, zeros of the polynomial is the x-coordinate of the point where the graph of y is equal to 3x plus 6 intersects the x-axis. So, for a linear polynomial of ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0, the graph of y is equal to ax plus b is a straight line which intersects the x-axis at exactly one point, namely -b by a, 0. Hence the linear polynomial ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0, has exactly 1, 0, namely the x-coordinate of the point where the graph of y is equal to ax plus b intersects the x-axis. Graph of a quadratic polynomial. Let us draw the graph of a quadratic polynomial x square minus 5x minus 6. Now let y is equal to x square minus 5x minus 6. So, for various values of x, the corresponding values of y are -2, 8, -1, 0, 0,